Do you love crafting but feel guilty about the money you spend on your projects? Well, in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to recoup some of those costs and enjoy your hobby without the guilt. First off, know that you're not alone. Many talented creatives struggle to balance the pursuit of their passion for fulfillment's sake, along with the very real need to have a steady source of funds to keep on crafting. The struggle is real. Let me share with you in this video simple but effective methods that will help you recover some of the money you spend on your craft projects so you can enjoy your hobby without any financial stress. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create steady, passive income streams that support your creative endeavors. So are you ready to unlock the secrets and loosen the vice grip on that pocketbook? Then let's get started. Passive income. A lot of people toss the term around, and it's the source of many a heated debate. However, there are very few forms of literal passive income. Folks don't generally get money for doing absolutely nothing. There's always some work involved. But in its simplest form, passive income is money that you earn without having to actively work for it. So for our purposes, we'll look at passive income as work you do up front that generates income for you over and over with minimal upkeep. It's a great way to supplement your income and reach financial independence. And for us crafters, artists, and makers, passive income can be generated through a variety of channels. Some of them being selling your products online or in stores, offering subscription services, creating and selling digital products, licensing your work, teaching others your craft, and monetizing your craft through social media. Passive income can be a great way to make money while you sleep, but it can also help you build a more sustainable business if that's what you want, or simply earn additional income to buy more crafts. If you're a crafter, artist, or maker, I encourage you to explore the different ways you can generate passive income. It could be the key to your financial freedom, or again, just help you earn more money to buy more stuff. Here are some things to think about as you pursue passive income to support your craft hobbies. Choose a passive income stream that's aligned with your interests and skills. Do your research and create a plan before you launch your passive income stream. Be patient and persistent. It takes time to build a successful passive income stream. Automate as much as possible. This will save you time and effort in the long run. And diversify your income streams. This will help you protect you from financial setbacks. Now, in my video, exposing 9 crafter myths you believe but are totally wrong about, I talked about the starving artist stereotype. Another big myth is that you need to be a professional artist in order to make money from your crafts. And that's simply not true. There are many successful crafters who are self-taught and have no formal training in art or design. Another common myth is that you need to have a large following on social media in order to sell your crafts. While it can be helpful, of course, if you have a large following, it's not essential. The many successful crafters who sell their products through online marketplaces or on their own website or at local craft fairs. The most important thing is to create high-quality crafts that people want to buy. And if you're doing that, you can definitely make money from your crafts, even when you're not a professional artist or have a large social media following. In addition to creating high-quality crafts, the next thing you should ask yourself is, are you marketing your crafts? And I've been guilty of this myself. As a crafter, it's easy to get lost in the making of the thing. But now that we're of the mindset that we want this to generate some income for us, we have to let people know our items exist. No one is going to come knocking on your door and say, I heard you might be making some stuff in here. Can I take a look? So let people know about your products through social medias, online marketplaces, and local craft fairs. Now that we've set a foundation, let's dig into those passive revenue streams that support our creative interests. Almost everyone has heard of Etsy, the online marketplace that features handmade artists and makers. It's a great place to start and very beginner-friendly to get started. However, you'll have to learn about Etsy SEO in order for your items to be discovered. Etsy has grown tremendously, and as more of the mainstream learns about the marketplace and go there to discover unique gifts, the more competition there'll be. So you can't just post a photo and hope that people will find you. There's also Amazon Handmade and Michael's Maker Place, Folksy in the UK, Cratejoy, Spoonflower, Zibbit, and Artfire. But don't overwhelm yourself by trying to join all of these. Just pick one and lean into succeeding on that platform. Teaching workshops is another great way to make money from your crafts. Although less passive than the other things we'll mention, you can teach workshops at a local community center, library, or art store. You can also teach online workshops through a platform like Udemy or Skillshare. I've done both. I taught Etsy workshops at the local library and also have a product development course on Skillshare. While the money doesn't make it rain per se, it's a nice surprise to get small amounts from work I did years ago, for the Skillshare class that is. Creating digital resources is another great way to make money from your crafts. You can create digital patterns, tutorials, or ebooks. You can sell your digital resources online through a platform like Gumroad or Creative Market. You can sell digital downloads on Etsy as well, and there are a number of six-figure businesses on Etsy that have carved a successful niche for themselves just with digital downloads. Now let's talk about licensing your artwork or patterns. Ever doodled something amazing and thought, this could totally be on a tote bag? Well, it totally can. Licensing your artwork or patterns is like giving your creativity a passport to travel the world. Imagine your designs on stationery, fabric, or even home decor. By licensing, you grant permission for others to use your fantastic creations on various products. It's a sweet deal. You get paid, and your art gets to mingle with the masses. Just think of Ray Dunn's iconic font on all the different home decor and pottery accessories that you've seen all over. That's licensing. Print-on-demand merchandise. Okay, imagine this. You designed a super cool graphic or artwork, and suddenly it's on a mug, a phone case, a throw pillow, all without you lifting a finger. How is this possible? It's called print-on-demand. It's like having your own personal production team. You create the design, and when someone orders a product with your design, it magically gets printed and shipped. You get a cut, and your fans get a unique piece of your artistic soul. It's a win-win in the world of crafty commerce. And now let's talk about affiliate marketing. That's when we get into making money while you sleep. Sounds good, right? Affiliate marketing is like being a crafty influencer. You recommend products that you genuinely love, and when your crafty friends buy through your special link, cha-ching, you earn a commission. It's like getting a high five for having excellent taste. So if you're obsessed with a particular brand of yarn, tell your audience, share the love, and as they click and shop, your passive income grows. It's a crafting circle of trust and prosperity. So to recap, there are many ways to monetize your crafts. You can sell your crafts online or in person. Not that passive, but it is an option for generating some side cash. You can also create digital products, sell print-on-demand merchandise of your designs, do affiliate marketing if you have a blog or social media presence, or create a course. The most important thing is to take inventory of your skills and interests. Take action and see what works best for you. If you have any questions or want me to dig further into any of these passive income streams that we covered, leave a comment below. And if you're doing some of them already, let us know that in the comments as well so we can cheer you on and support you. Here's the next video YouTube thinks you might like. I'll see you over there.